Hello everyone and welcome back. It's your girl Marquita with Marquita LV Luxury. On today, I have an exciting video that I want to share with my YouTube family. I will share 2 unboxings on today and I am so excited to be able to do this with you guys. But before we get started, make sure you view my past videos. Like, share, subscribe. Tell a friend how much fun we have over here. Don't forget to visit your girl on Instagram at Marquita LV Luxury. Now that we have all that out the way, friends, you know exactly what to do. Go grab some wine or some tea and a light snack. Hurry back so we can get started. Your girl got the tea, so now let's talk LV. The 2 items I am going to unbox and share with you were sent on consignment. I explained to you guys in a previous video what consignment is. These 2 items my CA thought I would be interested in, so she actually pre-ordered them and had them sent to my home. I have between 24 to 72 hours to decide if I want them. If I don't, the carrier comes back to my home, takes them back to the LV boutique. And so guys, let's get these open. As you guys can see, I do have my phone with me. I love to be detailed, so I will tell you the price and the product code number, okay? First box is pretty big, so let's get this dust bag out so we can get this box out of the way. Oh, I'm excited. I'm so excited, and I'm just excited and blessed to share this with you guys. And it's trying to peek out, so I'm trying to cover it up. I know what it is, so I'm going to hold it this way and put it down. I hope you guys are sipping that tea and that wine at the same time. So here it is. I'm gonna cover it up. I don't want you guys to see. Okay. Are you ready? Okay. Countdown. 3, 2, and 1. Here is the beautiful Damier Azur Neo Noe BB, guys. So adorable. Okay, I was not expecting this at all. When I spoke on this, guys, you know, I was like, hey, it's cute. I didn't speak on it, okay? But now that it's here, it is gorgeous. It is so cute. Guys, Novachetta, you know we absolutely love bags with Novachetta. And on the side, it does say it's made in France, if you guys can see. Made in France, which is a plus. Look at this beautiful drawstring closure. And in my collection, guys, I have the Neo Noe MM, and I also have the Noe BB here that I've never worn, guys. I never worn. And so they are kind of, well, no, the sizes are totally off. So this is the Neo Noe BB, and this is the Noe BB, guys. So as stated, I have not worn this at all, but let's get back into this beauty. The inside, look at that. That beautiful, soft microfiber material, and look at the color. Look at the color. This beautiful pink, rose ballerine pink. You guys see that braided top handle is in one compartment. In the other compartment, it is the longer strap that is detachable and adjustable. Okay, and we're gonna put that down because we are going to attach them in just a minute. I have to finish bragging on how beautiful this inside material is. And this is the braided top handle. And we will discuss this as well. But look inside. I do not own a Neo Noe BB, so I'm not sure if this is something new. I do see here it is a midsection, but it has a button closure. So is that something new? Let me know in the comments. As stated, I do not own a Neo Noe BB, so I have no earthly idea if this is something that they added, but I love this. You guys know I love when your cards, cash, anything is secured with a closure, and so that's exactly what this is. So it do have a mid button closure. It, as stated, one compartment here and another compartment there. And I love this. The inside is not detachable at all. And so let's get a product code number. The product code number is N as in Nancy 45292. And there it is for reference. And as stated, let me get my phone because I have not paid for this yet. So the price is $2,440 US. Again, $2,440 US. So if I do decide to keep it, that is the price that I will pay for this gorgeous bag. It does have gold hardware. You guys know that is my absolute fave. And this right here is so neat to me. This is different. If it is different, I don't know. Like I said, I do not own a Neo No ABB, but I do love that. So I am going to button that back, as you guys can see. So adorable. And let me close this so I can attach the straps and show you guys how she looks. I am going to start with the leather strap here. And as stated, this is not Bachetta. So guys, we are happy about that. For my tall divas out there, this is adjustable. So it can be as long as you want it or as short. So it depends on if you want to do crossbody or over the shoulder. So we are going to keep it long because I am going to have this as a crossbody. Gold hardware, and let's get it attached. Here it is, and as a crossbody, and this is the longest length, guys, as a crossbody. I'm 5'4" for reference, and I am on my tippy toes, so you guys can see the full view. And I'm going to shorten it because you guys, I want you to see everything, okay? So let me shorten this so you guys can see. Because this bag is beautiful. Very, very beautiful. Okay. Over the shoulder. Look how cute she is. In the forearm, and of course I will not carry it like this because it does come with a braided tote handle, but here she is. So cute, so adorable. I wish she had some feet at the bottom, but hey, that's totally fine. And you know what, I am going to adjust. I have to see how this looks as a crossbody. I just have to. And I think I just love playing with this as well. So let me see. Okay. Let's see if I can move. There it is. Can you guys see? I had to move back a bit. There it is. And it comes right here to my hip. You guys know I love that. And so the drawstring closure is here. Easy access to grab whatever I want. In and out access. That is perfect. Love, love, love this, guys. So different, so unique. Now, let's add the top handle on. And look how gorgeous and beautiful this is. A lot of you guys did not agree with this braided handle, but it's gorgeous in person, guys. I am loving that beautiful caramel brown color, and I love how they added the pink inside. So let's get this attached. And here it is. This is gorgeous. This is amazing. This is amazing. This is a beautiful bag. This is beautiful. This is a showstopper bag. And I'm not going to say it's carefree because it doesn't have a shutter. We all know about this print. We all know about the color transfer. So you still have to be very, very careful with what you wear, especially like dark blue jeans, anything that contains a lot of dye, and also the placement of where we put the handbag. We do not want it by any bags that contains a lot of color, guys. So that's why I actually moved my Damier Azur pieces by each other because I don't want to take a chance of color transfer. But look how gorgeous this is. So if you pre-order, guys, let me know in the comments. Rate this bag. 1, meaning, hey, awful, I'm not even looking at it. 5, hey, maybe, it has potential. 10, I need this in my collection, okay? So gorgeous. Beautiful. So unique, I love that. So guys, I'm so excited. Okay, we have one more unboxing, guys, and I'm just excited. I'm happy. Okay, I am happy. Let's get to it. Mid-size box, and I'm just trying to keep my composure. Let's get this open. I'm gonna hurry up, put it down. I don't want you guys to see the shape. Okay, close. Put the box down. 3, 2, and 1. Yay! I am so happy, guys. Look what came in. The beautiful Damier Azur Alma BB. Look, so gorgeous. Oh my God, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. Let's get into these details, guys. So, of course, gold hardware, double zip, the gold feet at the bottom. Let's get this open. We will talk about the strap. It's the same braided strap as the Neo Noe BB. Let's get this open and expose. This pink is everything. Let's take out the leather strap. And as you guys see, it's just like any of the other Alma BBs, leather strap, detachable, not adjustable. And you know, once I pay for this, I have to send it back because, you know, I hot stamp everything. And here is the padlock and key, the dust bag. Let's put that back in there. And let's get the product code number and the price out of the way. N as in Nancy, 45294. And the price for this gorgeous Alma BB, and of course, as stated, I haven't paid for it yet, $2,160. So this is actually cheaper than the Neo Noe BB. It's kind of strange to me. Inside, you guys are familiar with the Alma BB. It does have a side pocket for cards. And this pink is amazing inside this bag. I'm so glad they went with that color. Let's get it zipped. That gold hardware on this is amazing. And here it is. The tote handle is giving life. It's giving life. I'm not sure why you guys don't like it because I almost fell for it as well. The picture does no justice. It's giving life with no parole. This is it, guys. This is it. It's a go. Go out and get it. Go out and get this Alma BB. So let's put the strap on and let me show off just a little bit, okay? Let me show off. So you guys already know how the Alma BB goes. It does have this little D-ring part here that's kind of shaped different from the other side. So it goes here. And then across from it, it has the same. And there it is. There it is, crossbody. And as you guys see, I didn't wear jeans for a reason. I'm just comfortable in my comfortable fit. And God, it's perfect. This is everything. Look how perfect this is. But you guys know how I love to rock it. Not even over the shoulder. I just want to show you guys another look. And this right here is too long for me. You know, this right here is too much space. I need for it to be right here. So I would never wear an Alma BB over the shoulder like this, because I need for my bag to be right here at my hip. This is too long. That space and that gap is too much. But I do keep my strap on, put it here in the forearm, and this is just a classy way. I love it. No vachetta, guys. But you know, we still have to take care of our Damier Azur pieces. But this is everything. I'm like really feeling myself. But of course, I need to have that gold padlock on here because it just adds to the bag. I love having the lock on. But guys, let me know, how do you feel? Rate this bag. I need some ratings. How do you like it? No vachetta. But I do, you know, I had to do this right. Look. My trifecta is complete. It is complete. Look. I'm dancing. The only thing I'm missing, guys, I have to get that hot stamp on that bag tag, and I did it. I did it. It's here. It's here. So here she is, guys. Let me know if you have questions. She's perfect. She's absolutely perfect. I mean, the pictures, they do no justice, I'm telling you. And I'm not just saying this for you guys to go out and purchase. I do not work for LV. But here it is again. So happy. So guys, like I said, let's chit chat in the comments. I am so blessed. I am so happy. I have some big decisions to make. Am I keeping both bags? Am I keeping one bag? Which bag am I going to keep? And am I sending both back? Look, I don't know. I don't know, but you guys will find out soon. Thank you so much for tuning in to yet another video. As always, guys, stay safe and stay blessed. Until next time. Bye-bye.